Guess what? I'm back at Green Lake. And it's 8 o'clock, baby. I already got fish in like less than 1 minute. Little guy. Just using my worms. I still got like 200 worms, man. One bass. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Got another one. Damn. That must be just bluegills, I guess. Oh crap, I had something? Oh man, I didn't know that. What? Don't worry. Got like 150 more worms to go. There must be a bunch of little guys. What's up? Alright. Put it right here. Just a bunch of little guys. Nothing big. Oh yeah, he took it all. Can't beat it when you're using live bait. I'm gonna put 2 worms on here. Yeah. Trying to get a state record, you know what I'm saying? got something big over here, but I got a 5-pound line. Dang it. Oh, this is not good. Oh, crap. Damn. Oh, not fun, not fun. I lost it. Gotta retie new setup. Holy crap, I wish I had that video. Oh my gosh. I just could not believe a pike try attack. Oh man, I want to make sure you guys can actually see what. Man, that was nuts. Man, that pike missed it. Using a ribbit topwater lure. Creating as much, I'm creating as much attraction as I can splashing this ribbit lure. I'm reeling it really fast back. That must have caught the northern pike's attention. Clouds are coming in. starting to get dark. Oh yeah, it's starting to get real dark. I normally don't fish. When the rain comes. I like to fish after the rain, so this is something. Oh, I can hear thunder. Oh man, it's starting to get real dark right now. Trying to pull a big guy before the storm hits. Where are you? Oh shit. Yeah, is the bass hiding because of the storm? Oh crap. This storm's no joke. I think I'm asking for it right now. Ooh, skews are still coming? Darn it. I might be heading home soon. I'm getting nothing right now. What's up, everybody? You guys already know where I'm back at here when I'm going fishing. So I'm back here at Green Lake. It's Sunday fun day, and it's like, what time is it? 7:50 in the morning. So almost 8 in the morning. I'm gonna finish off. Hopefully, I can finish off my worms. I still have about 100, I think 100 worms, 120 worms left out of my 250 bag. And then I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try the bass jigs. I watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to fish a jig, because I'm not really comfortable using that. So I'm gonna try and learn how to do that. And then I'm gonna try some different types of weightless lures. And then I'll go back and probably switch out that ribbit for like a slower top water movement to break the surface, because that ribbit's a little bit too fast. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get some fish, some big ones. I'm gonna try and go for the big guy today, and if not, hopefully catch at least more than 2 bass, because I would catch like maybe 2 at the most, and that's it. So I would try to get more, and if I do get the big guy, then that's it. It's a wrap for the day, and then come back home. But like I said, it's 8 in the morning, Sunday. I'm trying to get as much as I can, alright? Alright, first bass of the day off a jig. This is a big jig too, with the rattle. It's a 3/4 ounce, where's the box? It's a 3/4 ounce jig. I barely pull out the brand. It's from Bass Pro Shop. With the Havoc lure. So wow, just caught it right off the rocks here. So I'm gonna try it again. Caught this catfish right down here. Just going back to live bait. Oh yeah, it's gonna start to rain. I got something? I got something? Ooh. Ooh, I got something. Oh yeah, I got something. It's just probably a bluegill, like always. Alright, making this video because I'm going home. That's all I got. 1 bass. I didn't catch any bluegills, 1 perch, and that little bowhead. That was it. So much for live bait. I tried Texas rig. I lost my bass jig. Got caught in the rocks. I lost that one. I lost my shallow crankbait as well. So I don't think I'm gonna come back to Green Lake anytime soon. I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to get a boat or something, because this is way too much anticipation for big bass and nothing. So I'm gonna have to try different spots, especially when I'm just inshore fishing anyways. So I might just stick with Lake Winnebago for now. But I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go home, and it's already 11:15, so I've been here for almost 4 hours. 4 hours of bass fishing, nothing. Just 1 little bass, that was it.